Is your Google Pixel battery draining fast? Just when you thought the battery was fully charged, it won't even last a full day once unplugged. We'll show you how to fix battery drain and how you can extend the life of your Google Pixel. Let's start with software. Update your phone to make sure you're running the latest operating system. Next, disable unused apps. Some apps can drain your battery, even when you're not actively using them. Go to Settings, Apps, See All Apps, and disable any apps that you don't use regularly. You can also save battery by conserving the mobile data your apps use. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Data Saver, and turn it on. Some apps require more energy to run. Turn on Battery Saver and Optimization to further customize your battery settings. Go to Settings, Battery, then Battery Saver to turn it on. This will limit any background activity and some visual effects to conserve battery. To extend your battery life further, use Extreme Battery Saver to limit usage to only the essential apps you've selected. On an app level, you can turn on battery optimization. In Battery, click on Battery Usage. Tap on each app to make sure optimization is turned on. Adaptive battery and adaptive charging features help prioritize battery use on the apps you use over the ones you don't. It also prevents your device from overcharging. In the Battery menu, click on Adaptive Preferences and turn on Adaptive Battery and Adaptive Charging. You can also turn on adaptive connectivity to track your network usage and automatically switch between 5G and 4G to conserve battery. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, and select Adaptive Connectivity to turn it on. Moving on to your phone's hardware. Avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures, especially when charging. Extreme heat and cold can degrade the internal components of the battery, shortening its lifespan. Always charge it in a cool location and never leave it under the sun. Here are some signs that your Pixel may need a new battery. It has a shorter battery life and doesn't last as long as it used to on a full charge. It constantly overheats or randomly shuts down. It won't stay on without a charger, or the battery is bulging or swollen. A bulging battery is a safety hazard. If your battery is swollen, disconnect it from the charger and do not turn it on. Your safest option is to take it for a repair immediately. Remember, the average lifespan of a Pixel battery is around 18 to 24 months. If your phone is a few years old and the charge doesn't last that long, it may be time for a new one. Visit your local uBreakiFix by Asurion store for a diagnostic, repair, or battery replacement. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.